Let's see how to scan QR code on iPad 9th generation. In the first step, open Settings. Later, select Control Center. After that, turn on Access within Apps. In the next step, launch Camera app. Then aim it at the QR code. Next, wait until a notification pops up. In the next step, press on the notification that appears. After that, allow the link or app to open automatically. In the next step, pull down from the top right section. Then press the QR code scanner icon. Then aim the scanner at the QR code. In the next step, start Safari browser. Later, enter the QR code link manually if required. After that, open the content straight away. You are good to go.